Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix lame_enc.dll error to create MP3 file in Audacity. Copy DLL file. Paste it into browser search bar. Click DLL file download. Click download. Open and extract the files. Browse to extracted folder. Click to open DLL file. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.